Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are safe at home. Okay, let's start the chapter 5, chapter 8, binomial theorem. The question is like this. Find the coefficient of x to power 5 in the expansion of 3x square minus a upon 3x to power 10. You have to find the coefficient of x to power 5. Which term will be the coefficient of x to power 5? For this, you will find the general term. The formula for general term is TR plus 1a term equal to NCR x to power n minus r AR. This is a, this term is x and this term is a. This is x and this is a. Understood? Then, and this is n. The index is n. Power is n. 10 CR. R is unknown because you have to find it. X, in place of x, you will put 3x square. Power n minus r means 10 minus r into a. A, in place of a, you will write minus a upon 3x to power r. 10 CR. Write separately 3 to power 10 minus r, f to power 2 multiply 10 minus r, this minus 1 to power r, a to power r, and this 3 to power minus r. 3 will go up, the sign of power will become minus, and this x also minus r because x is in denominator. It will go up, the sign of power will become negative. I have to rub it. Next step will be 10 CR 3 to power 10 minus r and 3 to power 10 minus r, and this minus r, it will become minus 2r minus r, and minus r will become minus 2r. X, after multiplying 2 into 10, 20 minus 2r and minus r minus 3r. This minus 2r and minus r minus 3r. And next will be minus 1 to power r and a to power r. A to power r. Now you have to find the coefficient of x to power 5. Coefficient of x to power 5 meaning that this term x should become equal to x to power 5, equating to x to power 5 equal to x to power 20 minus 3 r. Base is same, then power will be same. 20 minus 3r equal to 5, 3r equal to 15, r equal to 15 upon 3 equal to 5. The value of r has been found out as 5. Now, I have found TR plus 1 term. TR plus 1 term means T R means 5, 5 plus 1f means T6. Sixth term will be the coefficient of f to power 5. Therefore, I have to find T5 plus 1f equal to, in place of R, we should put 5. 10 CR, 10 C 5 into this term will become vanish because 3 to power 10 minus 2 into 5. 2 into 5. 10 minus 10, 0. 3 to power 0. This term will become f to power 5 because 20 minus 3 into 5, 20 minus 15 will be f to power 5. You have to find the coefficient of f to power 5. Therefore, it will be omitted. And this minus 1 to power 5 into a to power 5. 10 to power 10 C5 means 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 upon 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into a to power 5, and this minus 1 to power 5 means this is odd term, therefore it will be negative. 5 and 2 will divide 10, 4 2 ja 8, 3 2 ja 6, 9 2 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36, 9 2 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36 into 7 into a to power 5. This will be negative. Multiply this. 7 6 ja 42, 4 carry, 7 3 ja 21 and 4 25. 2 5 2 a to power 5. This will be the term of the coefficient of f to power 5. This will be clear.